Hey there, I'm back again, and if you think ads are dead and you are just wasting money, you are wrong. Ads are not dead, okay? But if you are getting more eye rolls than clicks on your ads, it is actually time to fix that. So if your ads are not working, let me share what I do exactly and how that is working. Today, I'm revealing all of that to make ads work without annoying your audience, because let's be honest, most of us are annoyed by ads, right? Aren't you? At least I know I am. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how I create ads that attract clients and do not just get ignored, if that makes sense. Ready? So let's get into it. So I see so many service businesses making the same mistakes when it comes to ads. It's like watching a horror movie where everyone's screaming, "Don't go in there," but they go in anyway. Back in the early 2000s, even a crummy ad, a bad ad, could fill up programs faster than you can imagine. But those days are really over. The landscape has completely changed. If you are still using outdated tactics, you will be disappointed. So why are most of the coaches in the service businesses using standard sales scripts that everyone else is using and then expecting people not to be turned off? And spoiler alert, they are turned off. And it's not even the worst part. The biggest mistake is either asking for the sale right away, yeah, that's really a rookie move, or even worse, promising free training, you see those ads everywhere, and then giving them a sales video. Come on. People are not stupid. So everyone has been there and done that. And you probably got the unsubscribe button to prove it, okay? So stop with that nonsense. Don't do that. Here's what you need to do instead. So offer something genuinely helpful in a short post, something that people will actually benefit from or that shows them what is possible. So your call to action, please don't say free training unless you are actually going to give them real free training. I mean, you are not handing out a menu just to take it away again, right? Instead, tell them that you've made a full video explaining the strategies in detail and that they can find it here. It's that simple. So what happens next? If they are interested, they will watch the video, but it's their choice. And here's where you basically have to bring your A game. You provide real, actionable insights. So no fluff, no fillers. Make sure that they leave, if it's a video, that video, for instance, thinking, wow, I actually learned something new today. This was valuable for me. So that's the key word there. Pull them into your world without pushing them. Don't press anyone to work with you right away. Warm them up first. This is how you get the very best clients. So there are two ways to do this. And you have to make sure, let me not forget that there is content, okay? This is basically one of the main reasons why you want to create content. So you can form a bond with your audience and they can see that you know what you are talking about. You are sincere and genuine. If they start consuming your content, they will start to trust you more, like you more, and maybe even feel like they know you in some way. So, and this can be any type of content, right? This can be video, audio, or even written. So, in general, I have to say videos work best, okay? Just because they see your face, they can hear you, and they can basically interact with you through the video. And yes, that really happens. So again, there must be value in your content, and it must come from a place of real service, okay? From there, invite them, for instance, to join your free email course or your newsletter, or to watch a free video that goes deeper into what you just shared, okay? So now that they are in your world, no longer a cold lead, this is where you can start making offers. And by offers, I don't mean shouting out, work with me, work with me, work with me. Instead, it's more like, hey, did you like this? Do you need any more help implementing this? Or just asking, do you need any more help? So here's how you can get it, right? Or maybe want my in-depth training on this? Pick it up here. And that's it. There's no pressure, there's no chasing, nothing. You just make it easy, clear, and natural. So people should be then lining up to work with you because they know you are the real deal. Not because you are banging on their door at midnight, right? What a lot of service businesses are actually doing. So please never, ever use ads to try and sell to a cold audience. That's like trying to give out ice cream in a snowstorm. It's wrong timing, wrong place, okay? Warm them up first. And please just don't do what everyone else is doing. Instead, just get real. Give real value. Invite them into your world. Show them that you know your stuff. Assist them. Engage with them. And then make it easy for them to take the next step. This is how you create ads that work. And that is how you build a service business that really thrives. And of course, for the love of God, only start running ads when you have a converting funnel. If your process of warming up people that raise their hand is not converting, running ads is really like flushing your hard-earned cash through the toilet. So why anyone would do that is beyond me. To conclude, ads aren't dead. They really aren't. They are more like a booster. They do need to evolve, okay? It is not the same as it used to be. If you follow the approach that I just laid out for you, you will not only stop wasting money, but you will start attract clients who are genuinely excited basically to work with you, okay? So I want you to go out there, make ads that don't just sell, but make ads that actually serve. So you make an ad that points to something that serves your audience. If you want to learn more about creating effective ads and strategies, you can check out one of my other videos here. It's all packed, as always, with actionable tips. And again, I'm doing the same as you. No fluff. I'm just trying to help and just sharing what works for me. Okay, for now, I want to thank you for watching. Go crush it out there. I would love if you would let me know in the comments or shoot me a message if you need help. If you are ready to level up your coaching business, of course, check out any of my other trainings or videos. And you can also join my newsletter if you want more in-depth tips, of course. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.